So I came up with an idea to make a robotic hand. As you can see, it's just a simple little hand where the joints are connected by bolts. So you can see I'm just using my good old calipers to measure out the width and height of the nut, because I'll need that for the 3D modeling. It's a 3mm nut and a 3mm bolt, and then measured the length of the bolt I wanted to use and the diameter, just to also help with the modeling. Once I had those dimensions down and written on paper, I can make a sketch of what I wanted the part to look like, proper dimensions. Then took it to Fusion 360 to model it, and then sent it to the Bamboo Lab P1P to 3D print it. So once I had one finger printed, I tested the mechanism to see if it worked. So let's put the heat, use a soldering iron to heat up the nuts to press into the plastic, as you can see. Once I did that, I then attached the finger pieces together. So to test the joint, I took the 3M bolt, put it in with the Allen key until it was tight. But then I wanted to test to see if it would be strong enough to hold any weight or to be posable. So I tested it by putting my trusty Leatherman wave on top of it, and it worked perfect. For a first design prototype, that's pretty much as good as you can get, in my opinion. Now that I had all the pieces printed, I assembled it and put it together, and we'll see how it goes. You can see the hand is very posable. I can move the fingers, they hold their place. You can make it into a fist, into an open hand. It's large enough where it can almost fit over my hand like an exoskeleton, as you can see. All in all, this turned out really good for a first prototype. The issues. So, as you can see, one of the fingers is now looser than the others. When I spin the fingers, it will loosen the bolts since the plastic rubs against the bolt, twisting it. So it's not a perfect design yet. It's just a rough prototype. Hopefully I'll be able to come up with a way to fix it, but to be honest, I don't have one right now, so I'm probably just going to shelve this project until I get inspired to fix it. If you like this, check out my other videos.